So, you want to know how to get access credentials or necessary tokens from the Qualcomm AI Hub for running local demonstrations? I got you. To use Qualcomm AI Hub resources for local demos, you typically first need to register for an account or sign in on the official Qualcomm Developer Network or AI Hub website. Once logged in, navigate the hub to find the specific AI models, software development kits, or tools you need for your local demo. Often direct API keys for purely offline local demos are not the primary mechanism. Instead, access involves downloading resources or using code snippets generated by the hub after you agree to terms. These snippets or downloaded packages might contain necessary authenticators or tokens tied to your session or account for initial use. Always check the specific documentation for the model or tool you select on the hub for precise instructions, and that's it.